I walk in wearing a sharp, sophisticated suit, tailored, minimal, timeless. And here's the twist, you're listening to my AI clone, not a gimmick. This is a demo of what AI can really do when it's used responsibly. Let's talk power, real, practical power. AI isn't magic, it's math with taste. Patterns, prediction, speed that help me make better decisions faster. Imagine your day. Emails, meetings, research, editing, repetitive tasks. That's where AI shines. It drafts the first version. It surfaces the best options. It leaves the taste, your taste, to you. 3 buckets: acceleration, amplification, access, acceleration. I drop a messy idea into an AI and get a clean outline in seconds. I feed footage references, and it suggests a shot list. I ask for a summary of a 300-page report, and boom, key insights without the noise. Amplification. AI makes me feel like I have a quiet team in the background. It corrects tone without killing personality, translates scripts, generates alt titles, and even suggests what to cut to keep it tight. Access. Design without design school. Data analysis without a stats degree. Voiceovers without a studio. Tools that used to be locked behind budget and time are now a prompt away. But power without principles is chaos. So here are my rules. Be transparent when AI speaks for you, like right now. Get consent for likeness and voice. Protect private data, and always keep a human in the loop. What about jobs? AI won't replace people who use AI. It replaces tasks. The opportunity is to move up the stack, from doing everything to directing outcomes. Here's a quick, real setup you can try with only stock tools. Write, use a large language model to draft your outline and hook. Voice, clone your voice with consent, or pick a stock voice. Video, use stock footage and motion graphics for visuals. No camera needed. Sound, layer. Royalty-free music. Add subtle whooshes and clicks for polish. Review. You approve every line. Keep what sounds like you. Where this is going. AI co-pilots in everything. Your inbox, your camera, your car, your calendar. Real-time translation that makes meetings borderless. Search that answers, not just links. Creative tools that remove friction so ideas ship faster. And no, AI isn't a personality. It's a mirror. The better your prompt, the clearer the reflection. So here's my challenge. Pick one workflow this week. Offload the first 30%. Keep the final 10%. That's you. Track the time you save. Then reinvest it into taste, strategy, and relationships. I'm an AI clone in a suit. But the point isn't the clone. It's the craft you keep when the busy work disappears. That's the power of AI. Human plus machine, moving faster, aiming higher. Let's build with it, responsibly.